Straight Talk Home Internet uses a prepaid model, so refilling your data is essential to maintain service. There are four main methods to refill: online via the Straight Talk website, through the mobile app version 5.2 or later, by enabling auto refill, or by using a PIN top up. Refills are instant upon payment, and high speed data is prioritized until your plan's cap is reached, after which speeds are throttled. Remember the 7-day grace period post refill for activation to avoid any data loss. These refills recharge your data pools and don't reset the current service, but extend it. Auto refill is enabled through the app or website by linking a credit card or PayPal account. This automatically recharges your plan when your data dips below 20%, and customizable thresholds can be set. PIN top-ups can be purchased as physical or digital cards from retailers like Walmart or online at straighttalk.com. As of September 2025, digital PINs can be redeemed instantly via QR code in the app and don't have an expiration date. Auto refill reduces manual effort, while PIN top-ups allow prepaid purchasing. These can be purchased for budgeting or gifting purposes.